Microsoft Copilot is available in several forms: the free AI companion, the Windows desktop app, mobile apps, and Copilot Pro, cheer Microsoft 365 Copilot. Here's how to install it as of 2026. 1. On Windows 11, Copilot is often pre-installed on new Windows 11 PCs. Look for the Copilot icon on your taskbar or in the Start menu. If missing, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Copilot. Click Get or Install. Once installed, sign in with your Microsoft account and start using it. 2. Web version. No installation needed. Go to copilot.microsoft.com in any browser. Sign in and use it instantly. You can also install it as a progressive web app, PWA, via Edge. Click the 3 dots, Apps. Install this site as an app. 3. Mobile apps. Android. Open Google Play Store. Search Microsoft Copilot. Install. iOS. Open App Store. Search Microsoft Copilot. Tap Get. 4. Microsoft 365 Copilot for work. Advanced features. Requires a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription plus Copilot license. Download the dedicated Microsoft 365 Copilot app from the Microsoft Store, Windows, Mac, App Store, or directly from Microsoft's download page. Sign in with your work or school account. 5. Copilot Pro, Premium Personal Version. Go to copilot.microsoft.com or the Microsoft Store. Subscribe to Copilot Pro for priority access, faster responses, and deeper integration with Office apps.